Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to use code to create the table and plot from the previous question 2-105. If you haven't done that question, you can watch this part of the video. You can pause it. However, the explanation is going to be in that video because this video is more about using code to create the table and graph and then explaining the results. So here's the manual working from the previous question. You can pause the video. Okay, so we've got this table. There's a whole bunch of numbers, so it's hard to visualize. So let's go to the graph and let me zoom in and we'll discuss the results. So alpha is red, which is 0.1. The alpha for green is 0.5. For blue is 0.8. And purple or magenta is 1.0. We've got the surface temperature on your y-axis and the emissivity epsilon on the x-axis. So the shape of this graph is a reverse log curve. So instead of exponentially rising, it's exponentially decreasing. So what does this mean? So your surface temperature is for your panel for your spacecraft, and the emissivity epsilon is the radiation that is emitted. Okay, so with that context, having a lower epsilon means radiation is going to be released slower. So that means the heat will be in the space panel longer. So that means it's going to be hotter. So if you got a higher emission, then that means your space panel will be cooler. Okay, so in that context, you want your space panel to be, depending on the purpose, of course. So if you want to be insulating, you want it to have a low emission. But if your space panel requires cooling, then you want it to be high emission. So it doesn't state what the space panel does. So if it's part of the spaceship and you want to insulate the heat, you want low emissions. And if you want the space panel to cool down, maybe it needs to rotate, or it's spinning, or it's moving in some way, or it's rapidly expanding and it's a tight fit, then you want it to be high emission. So in the previous question, it just says it's a space panel. So it's a spacecraft in space, and the sun is hitting the space panel, and we wanted to find the surface temperature, but it didn't state its intention. So we have to make assumptions here. So depending on the purpose, you either want it to be insulating or you want it to be fully, I guess, cooling. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. Okay, so if you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Okay, so click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.